while you guys are snapping and snacking at home, we're going to get into the big number, and it is in the billions today. It's 1.3 billion. That is how many peanut M&Ms CJ. Wait, what? No. That was the reported revenue for technology and social media company Snap, as executives reported earnings last night fell below expectations. Duh. Look where it's trading today. Garrett, is there any hope for Snap in the future? Or are these earnings spelling doom for the company?
Wait. What happened to the graphic? What happened to the girls with the dancing?
I took it down because y'all were making fun of me about it, and I put the boring one up there.
Let everyone in the chat make fun of you too.
Hang on, I'll find it again.
It's embarrassing. The pain's gonna.
I try to go really cringe, for the Snapchat, and this is what I went with. Which is very cringe. And then everybody was.
I gotta get you to pay for the mime, the drunk mime picture that I wanted to purchase for $10. 27% after worse than expected Q3. Again, all these social media companies continuing just to burn cash. There's no real reason to invest or buy any of these companies right now. You're going to want to wait for either the Fed to pivot or for the market to bottom. If you're long Snapchat, I feel bad for you. And those girls.
Elizabeth in the chat just said that's Ryan's screensaver.
Yeah, and
all right, Garrett.
I will turn off the show. Don't make me turn this car around. I'll pull this car over.
Garrett, are you looking at any trades in the social media sector, or is it just good to be out of this?
I still think that DWAC is ultimately going to collapse. I really don't understand how that's still trading at $16. I would anticipate that that's going to fall apart at some point. But aside from that, no. The whole Twitter news has kind of sucked the air out of everything. And again, Snapchat just continues to get worse. I've written about this company before in the past and really go through their balance sheet. $6 is what I said the company was worth when it went public a couple of years ago. I find it very offensive the way that the company is managed. Effectively, it is just a tyranny where their CEO owns the majority of the voting stock. It makes it effectively impossible for any companies anyone to make changes, any activists to come along. I remember I spoke to the head of CalPERS, which is the largest pension system in the United States. They didn't want anything to do with it, but they have to own it because it's part of the S&P 500 index, and they're going to end up being involved in it. So again, I think it's a terrible company. I think it's poorly run. I think it's still going to continue to be under a bad pressure years from now. Don't waste your money.
Yeah, listen, Snap's known for filters, but you can't put a filter on that kind of bad management to make it look better.
What's the dance? Is this the dance?
Yes, that's the dance.
This is the Ryan.
What is All right, Garrett, keep your shirt on.
Oh, I hate you all so
Kenny.
much.
Oh my God. Hey, Kenny, are you looking at any VWAP trades in Snap? Could there honestly be a reversal to the upside in this one?
Sure. What are you guys doing? You guys drinking the happy sauce this morning, aren't you? How's everybody going? Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go. Just keep going. Keep going.
All right, Kenny, we're just gonna keep it going. You know what, guys? Wait, but Kenny, honestly, Snap is lower. I know you trade VWAP reversals, especially when a stock gap's higher. But is it possible to trade? Is there a VWAP reversal if a stock gap's lower? Is that possible?
Of course, that's one of the best trades. Actually, that's the best trade there is because it's a lot easier for people to buy stocks than to short them because everybody knows how to hit the buy button. But, stocks like Snap, it's just a waiting game. Eventually, again, if the stock gets to 750, there probably will be buyers there, just technically speaking. But stock could be $5 by the end of the day. It could be zero by 4 o'clock if nobody wants to own it. Just like most of these stocks, again, this market is like artwork to me. And the artist just got exposed for being some sort of criminal and nobody wants his artwork anymore. So right now, I'm waiting for sentiment to change, and there's really no reason for it to change today. But that's what VWAP's all about. So if you have a stock that's getting pummeled and it breaks VWAP, you tend to get a nice little short covering rally. That's what we're doing today. Every stock I'm watching is down. So Tenet Healthcare, Verizon, Whirlpool, Snap, American Express. It's just letters and numbers to me. So once it breaks over VWAP, I buy them, and they usually go up. And some days they go up a lot. Sometimes they go up only a little bit. But usually, again, we're just looking for a day's pay. So yeah, Snap, we're all over Snap. But right now, even 2 pennies it goes up, there's a seller out there. So the stock looks like it's going to zero today. But there probably will be a short covering rally in between, and it'll be a VWAP break. So we got it all figured out. So I'm pretty chill. I know exactly where I'm buying it. I know exactly where it's going to go. Yeah, so I just have to wait for it.
Kenny, you have the game plan for your Warlock's world. And even though Snap is lower, VWAPians, get ready. There could be a day's pay creeping up if Snap gets a little short covering with the VWAP.